In this video, we will look at some of the best heat press machines on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, VIVOHOME 5-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. The VIVOHOME updated 5-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine features a 360-degree rotation with a swing-away and guide rail design. This innovative design ensures even and consistent pressure across the entire surface, guaranteeing high-quality finished transfers. The non-slip pull handle on top simplifies operation, while the sturdy base provides added stability during use. LED display. Equipped with a dual digital LED display and controller, this heat press machine allows you to easily preset temperature and timer settings. The display can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and an alarm alerts you when the timer completes. The screen's light will fade after 30 minutes of inactivity, conserving energy and extending the display's lifespan. Powerful functionality, with a temperature range of 32 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 232 degrees Celsius, and a timer range of 0 to 999 seconds. This heat press machine maintains precise temperature settings for optimal performance. It includes a safety feature. A small red button on the side of the control box pops up if the temperature becomes too high or if there are voltage issues. Number 4, Seeutek Heat Press Machine. The Seeutek Heat Press Machine features a double-tube heating design that ensures even heat distribution across the entire plate. This results in clearer and more precise patterns compared to single-tube designs. The machine's adjustable pressure knob allows for optimal performance, and the removable heating plate makes it easy to switch between plate press and hat press applications. Teflon-coated heating plate. The 15 by 15-inch heat press boasts a Teflon-coated heating plate that protects your vinyl and clothing during heat transfers. This coating is heat-resistant, easy to clean, and enhances the stability of patterns. The innovative alloy slide guide rail design facilitates easy conversion between different heating elements. Number 3, Trant Auto Heat Press Machine. The Trant 15 by 15 inches 1500W Auto Heat Press Machine stands out in the market for its user-friendly automation and high efficiency, ideal for crafters and professionals alike. Here's a detailed review of its features. Automatic operation. Unlike traditional heat press machines that require manual pressing, the Trant model simplifies the process. You only need to set the temperature and time, and the machine completes the task with a single key press. Perfect pressure sensing. The machine automatically adjusts the pressure based on the thickness of the material, up to 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. Number 2, SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. The SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine is a versatile and robust solution for hobbyists and commercial users alike. With a wide range of attachments and innovative features, it stands out as a top choice for diverse heat transfer projects. Here's an in-depth look at its key features. Versatile application capabilities. The machine includes 15 attachments, making it suitable for a variety of items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs, with heating pads for various sizes including 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 11-ounce elongated, 12, and 17-ounce sizes, plates, and ballpoint pens. Number 1, VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine is designed to cater to various heat transfer projects, providing a perfect blend of advanced features, ease of use, and durability. Here's a detailed review of its standout features. Digital Practical Controller. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine is equipped with a digital controller that boasts a sleek appearance. It features a digital display and user-friendly buttons, allowing for simple and quick operations with just a single press. Durable, reliable handle. The handle is made of upgraded rubber, designed to be more effort-saving and smooth under the same pressure. This improvement makes the handle more comfortable to hold. Ensuring a better user experience. 360 degrees rotation design. The machine features a swing-away and guide rail design that allows for 360-degree rotation. This ensures even and direct pressure application across the entire surface, enhancing the quality of heat transfers. Considerate details. The VEVOR heat press includes a portable handle for easy movement and a flexible button for height adjustment. Its solid base provides stable support, ensuring smooth operation and longevity. 2-layer insulation pad. The machine comes with 2 layers of thermal insulation cotton, a 4 mm aluminum silicate paper insulation, and a 10 mm thick thermostable sponge. These layers work together to improve the transfer effect. Ensuring high-quality results. Complete accessories. The VEVOR Combo Heat Press Machine includes a complete set of accessories necessary for applying transfers, letters, numbers, and images onto various items such as t-shirts, caps, ceramic plates, and mugs. This comprehensive kit makes it easy to start your projects right away. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.